G'day, this is Jason here from ForexPipSnager and Forex Uturn. Today is September 23rd, 2011. We're looking at the Euro USD chart, 5-minute time frame. Here's 10 o'clock GMT down here. And let's take the auto scroll off here. Yeah, see this pretty much bounced right off the resistance here. There was no trade in here, okay? And then when it came down here, you would have sold right here. We broke through the support here. Okay. Once it came back up, even though it wasn't as close as the line you'd hope it to be, it was right where it is now. You would have sold it and you would have made a 50 pip stop. You would have made your 50 pips, but to the bottom it was around 86. Then in the US session, the filter did not line up. Not until way over here, and by that time, pretty much trading was over. So we'll now go and look at the 1-minute time frame. There's 9 o'clock. Back to the 1 minute. Take off the auto scroll. Okay. So here we had the gap size right here. Okay. But support was too close. Well, yeah, it was too close there. Sure enough, it went up, went the other way. So there was no trade here. And here, it was up here by the time it lined up. No trade here. What about over here? What time is this? 10:42. 10:43. So this is about 15 minutes before our opportunity closes. And we did have enough pips to get in. So you would have bought right here long. Filter was blue, and up she goes. You would have got your 10 pips real quick and easy right there. And that's the trade. There was one trade, good for 10 pips, but you had to wait an hour and 45 minutes to get it. Okay. So let's now look at the pound. Oh, look at the pound. Okay, so it basically, just before the open of 3 o'clock here, it told you to buy, and up she went. You could have bought the dip right here, and up she went. Did not line up here with the filter, and here in the US session, she came up, she sold off resistance. There was no trade in here as well. So that's it for the pound. And then let's move on to the Swissy. Okay, and then the Swiss, yeah, it definitely broke through support here. Okay, broke through the support right here, came down, came up. You would have sold right here. The filter did line up. It would have went against you a little bit here and freaked you out about 17 pips, but your stop was up here, 40 pips, never hit it. Came down, you would have got your 40 pips. And then in the US session, it didn't line up till over here. Oh, no, that's at 9 o'clock. Hold on, Jason. You had it in the wrong place. I'm sorry. There, yeah, there's 10 o'clock. Yeah, there was the sell right there. Did not line up here, and there was nothing in the filter down here for this trade. There was no trades in here. So we just had the one trade right here and the 40 pip stop. Okay, so let's move on to the Forex Uturn, and it's looking like a mess. Okay, so here's the M formation. And anyway, it got you short here. It came up. It almost hit the stop. Came down. I don't know. Maybe you got a few pips in there. Maybe not. And now it's setting up for a W to go long. And it looks like, to me, probably will go back up now to 37 or something. Looks like a kind of like a double bottom here. And let's look at the pound. The pound never really gave an M formation here, but didn't really work out. It shot up right quickly. There's no W here to buy. It's just looking a little weird. There's no formation in there. And that's pretty much it for today's videos. Today's Friday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week on Monday.